Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix SSL pending error on Shopify. Now, if you just connected your domains to your Shopify and it displays this error, there is nothing to worry about because this is really a popular error that will be on anyone's Shopify store, especially if they are trying to connect their domain for the first time. Now, what you guys need to do, you just need to click here on settings. Click on, of course, you have to log in into your Shopify store. Click on domains, and here you will find that SSL pending, and it's not a problem at all. So, what you guys need to do, I'm going to explain to you exactly what this means. As you can see, SSL pending on your website or on your Shopify store means just that the special spell is being set up, but it's not quite ready yet. So you need to make to make sure that your book is really yours, and then put the spell on it. So this can take a little bit of time. So what this means, you just need to wait 48 hours, and then the error will be disappeared. Okay, especially if this is your first time connecting the domain name to your Shopify store. Okay, even if it's been a long time since you connected the domain name, most of the time that error doesn't really mean anything. Your website can work just like it used to work, so it's not going to affect your Shopify store. You can check, you can go to your own website and check if everything is is working correctly. Now, if it's your first time, just wait 48 hours and that error will clear on your own. Okay, it will disappear and you will not be able to see it anymore, and then that's it. Okay, so that SSL pending is not a problem. So just wait, like I said, 48 hours and it will disappear from your own Shopify store. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and reply to every single comment. If it's been a long time since you have that SSL pending, let me know exactly how long in the comments, and I will give you guys a solution for your problem. Okay, I will reply to you guys within a few minutes and give you the solution. So drop a like and see you guys in the next video.